Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and tonight we're going to show you how to use the command delete previous word, which is very powerful if you're just want to eliminate the word you just said, or if you want to move your cursor to in front of a word anywhere. You can move the cursor there using commands and then use the delete previous word. So we're just going to jump right in, show you how to use it, and then you can start practicing on your own. Of course, first we have to wake up the microphone. Wake up. Delete previous word. Delete previous word. Delete previous word. Delete previous word. Stop listening. So that's it. So wherever your cursor is, if you want to get rid of the word that's right there in front of it, you can just say delete previous word and it will be gone. So I hope this was a valuable tip you found, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get a whole bunch more. And if you want to get a crash course on quickly starting to use Dragon Naturally Speaking, you can visit my webpage, which is also right here on this page. Look forward to talking to you soon and giving you some more tips in the future.